All right. The long-awaited Chino Hillier Legend air suspension install. I just got through installing this the air suspension last night. Still got the bike apart because I'm going to be videotaping the entire install for you folks. But first, I wanted to show you how it works. Pretty sick, right? Alright. That's what it looks like with the switch installed. Pretty nice, pretty clean. Legend did a really good job with that. I just zip tied the lines to the existing lines. Ran them up underneath the Speedo. Came around to the side. Trying to keep it nice and clean. Went through a pre-drilled 3/8" drilled hole. Alright, here's the solenoid and the compressor. Battery connections tucked away between the battery and the air box. Nice and clean, can't see them. Alright, then there's the relay install right here. Backside of the air box, velcroed in place. Lines going to the solenoid and compressor. The lines coming from the switch are pretty long, so I just kind of wrapped it around, kept it going around, nice and neat, nice and clean, and then connected it to the solenoid and the compressor. Right here you'll see the air lines coming around. I chose to, instead of coming outside of the airbox in the front, I chose to go through the airbox inside. You can see it right about here. Drilled a hole just big enough for it to come out the back of the box. Underneath the radiator overflow, nice and clean. I put it underneath the wiring harness here, into the splitter. Button that all back down. Came out. See there where the line comes out into the shock. Nice, clean, sweet install. And on the other side, same thing. A little bit harder to see, a little dark, but again, nice and sweet behind the passenger foot peg there. Keep it out of harm's way. And biggest reason why most folks bring up these videos is for the big show, so I'll do that once again just to show everybody what it looks like. I really like the way it looks slammed down to the ground like that. It's pretty sweet. And one more time. Pull it up. Pull it down. It's pretty quick too. Well, that's it. That is the Legend Air Ride suspension.